How's it going everyone? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to share with you 10 YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. If you find this video useful, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe with notifications. Also feel free to sign up to my newsletter at learnwithseb.com so you can get the latest tutorials, web tips and digital business ideas straight into your inbox. So before I get into it, you might be wondering if your channel can be monetized without showing your face. The answer is yes. I have two channels which are both monetized and I don't show my face in any videos. Of course, you still have to provide value and unique content, but generally this is not a factor in whether or not YouTube decides whether your channel gets monetized. So you can do it. Let's get straight into it. Here are 10 YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. Number 1, product reviews. You can literally review any product you have lying around the house or review any new product you purchase. All you have to do is film the product in question and give your thoughts on it. No need to show your face. Just film the product in action, talk about the features and benefits and possibly reasons why people should buy it. You might need a decent camera and some good lighting. You will also need a good microphone to capture decent footage. However, you don't need to spend thousands on new gear. Depending on your phone, you could literally record it on your smartphone. The cameras on modern phones are pretty decent, so if that's how you want to go, you can start with that. Obviously, you should try and make it as professional as possible, and then it's just a matter of editing the footage together. If you have a passion for any particular products or are quite entertaining, then this would be a good niche for you. You may also need to record your voice, but you can do this all without showing your face. YouTube idea number 2 is product unboxings. This is kind of like one level down from product reviews. So instead of a full review, you film the product being unboxed. You can still talk about what's inside the boxes, the features you get with it and possibly how to set it up. However, this is not as in-depth as product reviews. Again, you will need a camera, a mic and some good lighting, or make sure there's natural lighting coming in from a window, and then you can produce high quality content. Channels like these are good for affiliate commissions with Amazon because unboxings are usually the last thing people look at before buying the product. The consumer will often already have made up their mind about buying the product and now they literally just want to see what's inside the box before buying it. So if you're the last link they click on before buying it, you will get an affiliate commission. Again, your face doesn't have to be in the video, but your hands might be depending on how you want to film the video. Now, if you don't have any camera gear or don't want to film anything, you could do software tutorials. No need to show your face or use a camera. You just need a screen recorder, a mic and video editor. This is what I do. I never show my face, but I record my screen and provide online tutorials about how to use various software. In this case, you don't need a camera, but you would need a good quality microphone and a screen recorder. I personally use CAMTASIA, but you can use OBS, which is a free screen recorder, and there are plenty of others also available at a small cost. You will have to plan your tutorials in advance and have some knowledge of the software you are using, but it's nothing you can't learn in a few minutes. This one is good for beginners. That's one reason I named my channel Learn with Seb, is that I'm learning new things and then sharing what I'm learning with you. I'm trying not to proclaim myself as an expert, but I just want to share anything I'm learning. Idea number 4 is gaming. Gameplay videos will always be popular. You just record yourself playing a game, showing walkthroughs about how to complete a game, or you could put together your best highlights or cool tips and tricks. Dynamo Gaming is an example of this type of channel. He gets around 14.6 million views a month. He normally doesn't show his face in his videos, and you can do the same. Sometimes he puts his face in the thumbnail, but that's not entirely necessary. You can achieve a similar level of success without showing your face in these videos. Again, gaming is hugely popular. Depending on the game you choose, it will get millions of hits a month. Idea 5 is you can start a top 10 channel. This is another straightforward one. All you do is compile a list of the top 10 best anything and create a video for it. Popular channels in this area include Top 10s, Top 5 Best, Watch Mojo, Tech Gumbo and Alux. Alux, for example, focuses on, the most expensive watches in the world, or the top 10 richest families in the world, and they get millions of views doing this. They use stock footage for the images and then add in some pictures and then do a voiceover over it. Again, this is a relatively easy one you can do yourself. If you can compile interesting lists that are kind of clickbaity but have mass appeal, then you'll do really well with this one. 6. Meditation. Meditation channels are another popular corner of YouTube that gets millions of views a day. With these types of channels, you don't need to show your face or even use your voice. You can get stock footage from Pixabay or Pexels, and then some copyright-free relaxation music from YouTube audio library, and then edit it all together. Then you have a meditation video. The Honest Guys is an example of this type of channel. According to TubeBuddy, they get over 1.1 million views a month. If you're wondering if this type of channel can still be monetized, the answer is still yes. There are plenty of channels being monetized in this area. Of course, you need to make your edits different and provide unique content. Better yet, you can add your own voiceovers and produce guided meditations. In this case, you can record a guided meditation and place this audio over some stock footage. This is probably the best direction to go in for this type of meditation channel. Idea 7 is crafts. If you're good with your hands, you could create an arts and crafts channel. This requires you to film nifty stuff that you can make at home. 5-Minute Crafts is an example of this type of channel. It has over 70 million subscribers. The most popular video is 42 Holy Grail hacks that will save you a fortune. This video alone has over 281 million views. Just like other examples on this list, you don't need to show your face, but you can film your hands. The key here is to create enticing titles so that people click on it, and good thumbnails that make people curious. The combination of these two things and good quality content equals a winning formula. 8. Commentary or TV show reviews. This is another easy one that anyone can start. You can literally just review or provide commentary on the latest movies or TV shows on Netflix or other streaming services. This will get lots of views due to the popularity of the TV shows and also from people curious about what to watch. Especially now during a pandemic, lots of people are at home, so more people are watching TV. You could provide recommendations on what to watch or just give your thoughts on it. One channel that does this is Brain Pilot. They just provide commentary or reviews of TV shows without showing their face. They then edit together clips from these TV shows and put their voiceover on top of it. YouTube doesn't take the video down because this would fall under fair use for commentary, review and criticism. So you are allowed to produce this type of content and post it on YouTube. Another one you can do from home is a cooking channel. If you have some cooking skills, you could always start a cooking channel without showing your face. Just set up a tripod aimed at your worktop, show your ingredients and then film yourself cooking it. Your hands might appear on camera, that's unavoidable, but your face doesn't have to be in it. Tasty Recipes is an example of one such channel doing this. It has over 900,000 subs and has some interesting recipes. According to Social Blade, it makes between $1.7 thousand to $27,000 a month. Cooking at home is obviously very popular now with a lot of restaurants closed, so this could be a popular niche to get into. Lastly, the final YouTube channel idea of the day is finance. This can also fall into the education or how-to sector. Basically, you create videos on how to make money online or how to improve your finances or how to invest. All this requires you to do is share useful and well-researched information. You can literally create the slides in Canva or PowerPoint, then do a screen recording to show the information, and you don't need to show your face. The good thing about this niche is that it has really high paying ads. So when you are monetized, you can get some good ad revenue as well as high potential affiliate commissions. This is because it's in the finance sector. This is quite a broad topic, so I suggest picking one specific area within finance and then making videos in that area. This could be investing, or this could be e-commerce or YouTube or real estate or how to make money on social media. You can always diversify later on. But this one is another faceless YouTube channel idea. So there you go. 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. Let me know in the comments if you do any of these channels, and feel free to drop your channel name in the comments. I would be interested in checking them out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications if you found this useful. I recently set up a mailing list, so if you want info straight to your inbox, sign up to learnwithseb.com. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.